be on perpendicular and parallel lines regarding our straight line graphs. So first question is, we have two equations and you have to prove to show that they are parallel lines. So remember, for parallel lines, the gradient m and our y equals mx plus c has to be the same. So all I do, I'm going to rearrange my second equation in the form of y equals mx plus 3. So this will go to minus 3y equals minus 15x minus 9. Then take the minus 3 over, so y is equal to minus 15 divided by minus 3 is 5x, and minus 9 divided by minus 3 is plus 3. Because the m is the same, therefore the two lines are parallel. Next question. A line is parallel to y equals 5x plus 8 and its y-intercept is 0, 3. Find the equation of the line. So we know the line is parallel, therefore the gradient of the line is 5. It'll be the same. So we have y equals 5x plus c, and now we just use the coordinate. We use the coordinate to substitute to find out what c is. So y is 3 equals x is 0, therefore c equals 3. So my equation of my line becomes 5x plus 3. Easy as that. Next up, okay, these two lines, now we're going to move on to perpendicular. So to prove that these two are perpendicular, again we change it into y equals mx plus c. Now remember, for perpendicular, so the gradient for perpendicular, it has to be minus 1 over the gradient. Okay, so minus reciprocal of the gradient. So let me rearrange this. So minus y equals minus 5x minus 4. Get rid of the minus, y equals 5x plus 4. So these are parallel, they are not perpendicular. If it was perpendicular, the gradient would have been it would be something like this: y equals minus 1 over 5 plus c, wherever your c is. So 1 over 5x plus c, wherever your c is, if it was perpendicular. Alright, so now, next question. So we just proved that these two lines are not perpendicular. Line L is perpendicular to 3x plus 8y minus 11 equals 0 and passes through 0 minus 8. Find the equation of the line. So first thing I'm going to do is rearrange this to get into y equals mx plus c. I'm just going to quickly do it. Equals minus 3 over 8x plus 11 over 8. So that would be my y-intercept. No, sorry, so that would be my gradient. And now I'm going to work at the gradient of, because line L is perpendicular, I'm going to work at my perpendicular gradient is going to be minus 1, and you reciprocate the gradient. So that will be minus and minus is positive 8 over 3. Alright, so my line for the line L, so I'm just going to do, so I'm just going to get rid of this. So L is given as y equals 8 over 3. I'm using the gradient for the perpendicular, which was 8 over 3. X plus c. Pass through this coordinate. So minus 8 equals 8 over 3 times 0 plus c equals minus 8. Therefore, my equation of the line is y equals 8 over 3 x minus 8. And that's it for that chapter.